Or Kapatisi TV.
Puli Msbpc ha India ne shabar ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kala Pynrung ya ki khat prangot ki Nongtrei balathung Thymmai ki bakanthop yo law officer Scientist B, Assistant Engineer, DEO, LDA, Technical Assistant, Bat Typist, Ban Penklan ya ka Jingtreikam Jongka Board. Ha ka Orientation Program, u Chairman Jongka Board, u R, Naina Malay, u Loong, ba ka Jingtungkam ya ki Nongtrei, ka Long Ban Pendap ya ka Jingduna ki Nongtrei, ya ka Bala Le, Ling ba ka Jingtungkam, ka Bakhut, Bala Palong da ka Jingyarap Jongka NIT. U Member Secretary Jongka Board u Dr. G.H. Shermang haba benrap halor kani u la pentep ba ka jingtungkam kan salong biang ha u benai nailur onda ka sorkar kala menjor ya ka service regulation bat ka jingbo ya ki regional office ha ka sinong clearian bernihat bat tura.
Shortage of manpower. So on that basis now we have recruited around 18 posts at the different levels. One is at the scientist B and 4 assistant environmental engineers and 1 law officer and 2 junior accountant and 3 LDA and 2 DEO, what is it? DEO and 2 TA and 3 typists. So total 18 posts, which definitely increase our manpower in the board, and we can do we can fulfill the mandate of the board. The exam was conducted by engaging the NIT, who has prepared the question papers and all, and the written results they have given to us, and followed by we conducted the interview for various levels, and results has been declared on the same day of interview. So all the levels has been declared results on the same day. Definitely there will be changes, because though we were doing though we are doing good work there in the past, but now this is added advantage for us. Like now we got full strength, means not of course full strength, still there are some vacancy that will be filled due course of time, but this added manpower definitely will take care of our own mandate. Definitely, because getting job itself is a big thing, and that too they got their choices of post. Means choice of post means they want, with a lot of interest they came and appeared for the interview, they qualified the interview and all, they qualified, they will work definitely, and they'll be very happy being here in Police Control Board. They have to put their hard work and dedications, and they have to learn, they have to update their knowledge of various acts and rules being implemented now. So they have to update their knowledge, and they will justify their post they are recruited for.
This recruitment process of this scale is the first time that has happened in this organization. I've said earlier when I addressed this August gathering that I belong to the first generation of employees of this board, and this batch that has joined now is the third generation of this organization. So we are still at a very, very young stage of our development, but then looking at the demand that is there, and especially the environmental issues that has been profounded in the last 2 decades, it was necessary. Yes, why it has not happened is because of certain fund constraints, certain issues that were there, that we could not recruit at such a large scale. But then I would like to take this opportunity to thank Chairman and Member Secretary, who has taken upon themselves to ensure that this recruitment has happened to start with. Number 2, the numbers that have joined in now, and the transparency that is there. Because I was not involved in the recruitment process at all, but then the people who have got over here were people who have been working with me in different capacities during COVID, the biomedical waste management that I was working with, and then the exams I've been conducting on behalf of UPSC. These are the people I was surprised when they came and told me that I got a job. Then, I mean, I can vouch that whatever recruitment that has taken place let be the written or the interview that has taken place, that has been fair. And in fact, this is something that we would like to say it's a star in our organization, because the interview was held during the day, and by night the results were out. So you can very well understand. I need not stress on much or on the transparency of this particular recruitment. Coming to the point that how is going to help, yes, belonging to the first generation, the kind of struggle we had initially just to have a proper building, that was itself was a challenge for us. And subsequently, when we grew slowly, and then the demand of the job, Member Secretary Sir has mentioned that yes, with whatever manpower we had earlier, we were being able to function. I will not use the word excellently, but then we tried our level best effectively to work from the one office that we have here in Shillong, and try to stretch our hands to all the 12 districts. With the recruitment of these new people now, where we have engineers, we have scientists, and we have even field assistants, we surely we will look forward to increase in our effectiveness in functioning, because part of public service delivery is that the minimum time that we address issues and respond to certain issues, that actually will be significant in understanding the functioning of the department.
Tamata kasingi dan hapo conference hall jong Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kalau kasingi ba sa jingan mau haga record jong office jong board namar hamanta kasingi ngelayo igalat pan penong jaga orientation program hap na namar ka history jong board nado bala sangi kan office hado mentam padan orientation ba nangkong kabaar pade kalong ba 4 juyo alat ban le major recruitment ko malang menta ka hakan ni kasin ngelayo ban recruit hado khat prangut ki candidates ka bambut ki kanthop ya ki level ba pher nado ki scientist bi ki assistant engineer ki DEO LDA typist technical assistant kumta ter ta nado bas dangi ka process kalong lai ka kom thungkam kalong ka khoj ka basuba hagaba mapi ru pila ban sakhiya ka tara ka phapi interview igini candidates ki bayo angne na namar ba ka jing thungkam ka long ka ba khoj ngiyo ru ki bru ki ba long deserving lene ki ba biang bha ka ta qualification ga jing champang ga jing nang jong ki ru manang don ki bru ki ba join LDA ki ba de ki NIT engineers ru ngi don ki bru ki ba don LDA IIT physics ru ngi don law officer ru bayo ba de gold medalist jong ga wai ka university ru tagani shikala punun shikada ye ingi tingi khmilati bada ka jing join jong ini ki bala qualify ba ka PE ba manta ki por ka sabi pilay PE ba ki issue environment kanang ta kami ba kata ka pollution handrai pitip ba mangingi don ka office tang hangi nyim don chuai taga jing thumu hi gini recruitment ka bamut nang ni sakhamat ka board ka don ni ka jing barsang ban pilay gi lai tili gi regional office ka banang kong ka dei clear Barnihan Batura. Ting ya ka next recruitment process namar bakadang sakut ka approval ya ka service regulation hapo government. Taka next recruitment process ni kemilanti bangin yo ban sedang nadu ban September. Tagira dangi laban thongdut ban thongkam haboro kini post ki batali ban artat ngidang up approval ban yo sanction ban chinai regional office ka bamut kamslem shu ya ka public service ren ya ka jing secretary pa ba ngilaban point ki district kana bawa pajba abudan kamsu kani kada cibentana ka toga ease of doing business ka baka sarkar jongi hi ka bidas kaman hakapor bang kren ni kini recruit sanga ong ba daka strength lan ni ka jingdon ka batang 4% ru daka jing trestom jengki officer ki staff jong board sibun ki kam ngi lalaman pendap halor ka jingduna mantara ka jingwan jengki karprangun ni khimi lenti ba ka kam ka bangila la jana ingin laman kam jana jisu darap kono ka kam ka bashim por sipau sungi la se daga jington kini kan sim na stang san sungi takata daga jing thubu ba ka jing khami lenti jongi kum pabo daga jing wan thama ko recruit ka ba ka jing tip jongai ka dene do osnama hajar khat nyo mulumala namar menchwa ke recruitment dang kinong pas u bidang duna kawan batang ke interview Handai menta pin page hado LD ru piyo applicants PhD civil engineer kabung competition kejingdu kam per competition kalau bisa kai ba ngi ihang ne dan kata ban long fair hi kejingel le kalau tegaritin le untuk sudah director kelas kede arjar kanyo.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.